So how can you vanish objects in iPhone photos? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe and become part of the Foxtecc community, and that way you're not gonna miss anything important. So there might be some unwanted objects in like your photos, and you have more ways to make them disappear and vanish. For example, you might open up your picture in full screen as usual, click on the edit button, and then you will see a cleanup tool in the bottom right corner. This depends on your software version of the iPhone, so if you are running like an outdated version, it may not appear, and also if you have like an older iPhone model, this might still not show up, so I'm going to show you some backup methods later on in the video. But you can use the cleanup tool where you just select some of the objects, right? So it takes a bit to prepare the photo for this process, but then you'll be able to just like select the objects with your fingers, and it will try to make things disappear, right? So you can see that that's kind of how it works, and it will replace it with like the surrounded pixels or something else, right? So it kind of gets the job done. It's not like it doesn't work, it does, but it depends on the surrounding and like the type of photo actually used. But that's like how you can do this. As I said, if you do not see it, or if you want to try out a different method, I'd recommend you to check out the Snapseed photo editor from the App Store. It's a photo editor developed by Google, and it's freely available on the App Store. So you can check it out and download this, where you can import your photos as usual into the timeline, into like the editing part. Click on the tools, and there you can find the healing tool. And the very same principle applies, where you just use your finger to select the area of the image which you want to like remove and replace with the surrounded pixels. Again, depends on the photo, and it depends on the type of thing that you are trying to remove, right? So yeah, as you can see, it can get the job done as well through the third-party solution too. So let me know what you think. Let me know if it works for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well. So stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later.